Here is how to create a broadcast list on WhatsApp. So let's get started. So by doing this, you can send the same message to multiple people, and this message will just show up as a normal chat in your personal chat with them. So they won't have any idea you've shared the same message with multiple people. So to do this, open WhatsApp on your phone and click on the three dots which are on the top right. Here click on Broadcast Lists and then click on the plus button that's at the bottom right. Over here, you'll see all of your contacts, and you can add up to 256 people in one broadcast. So whoever you want to add, you can just select their contact names, and you can search for contact names on top if you want to. After you've created this list, just click on the tick that's at the bottom right, and now if you go back, you can see this new broadcast has been created. And now if you want to send a message to all the people in this broadcast, just click on the list. And here, you can type any message, but to them, it will just show up as a normal chat. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.